What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video, y'all. Today this video is going to be jam-packed with deals, lit, everything else. I cannot wait to get into this. We got box openings. It's a gift from this company that I want to share with y'all. Then we got deals from Walgreens. We got deals from Home Depot. We got deals from Family Dollar. Look, it's so many deals gonna be in this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out. So you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into this video. First deals we gonna be discussing, y'all, is Walgreens. Okay, y'all, here are my first two transactions at Walgreens. First off, we are gonna start off by discussing the sanitary napkins. They are buy one get one 50% off, and on top of that you get a $3 register reward when you buy three. So the always on top were $11.99. We had a $2 off, making them $9.99. The size 3 on the bottom was $11.99 with 2 off, making them $9.99 as well. And then the size 1 was $5.99 with $2 off, making it $3.99. Total was $23.97. I had two more coupons come off, totaling $7, because the $2 is from IVC coupons, and I will be sharing them, so y'all can probably take a screenshot or whatever and use them while y'all in the store. The cashier does not have to use those coupons, but some of them will, and it will take off $2 off for each one that you buy, plus the coupons in your phone will come off as well. So it was $23.97, and the coupons in my phone came off, which was $7, making it $16.97. Paid that, got back my $10 register reward, $2.50 on Ibotta for the always, making these $4.47 or $1.49 each. Okay, y'all. Now with the dime, they are 4 for $16. I took my $10 register reward that I got from the sanitary napkins and put it towards these. So they were $16. I used $10 register rewards, $5 Walgreens cash, paid $2.34 out of pocket, making each one 58 cents. And the reason why I said 234 is because that's what it was with tax and everything. But usually I don't discuss tax, but that's just the way I have to break it down for y'all to know what I'm talking about. So basically 234 58 cents for each one. Now let's get into the next two deals. Okay, y'all, here is the next two transactions I did at Walgreens. So on the Shea Moisture hair products, they are spend 20, get a $10 register reward. So 2 for 10, they was $20. We have a $5 digital, making them 15. Then I used $4 register rewards, making them 11. I paid the $11, got back my $10 register reward, making these $1.50 each. Then on the $5.49 P&G products, I picked up 4 of those. They supposed to total you $21.96. I had $6.55 in coupons, knocking them down to $15.41. I used the $10 register reward I got back from those, and it dropped it down to $5.41. I paid that, got back $5 in Walgreens cash, making these 41 cents or 10 cents each. And I know you're supposed to get $4 back, but my register reward did not print. I don't know what I picked up wrong. All of these items were tagged on the shelf. So it could be the Downy Pods, but like I said, I'm not for sure, but it didn't print. So the manager, she just added the $5 on my account for that transaction. Then after those four transactions, I made one more transaction. Now let's look and see what I got. Okay, y'all, last transaction was on the certain dry deodorant. Nothing special about these except they are $10 each. And we have a $10 coupon. So if you know, you know. So both of these was $20 minus that $10 digital coupon we got. Left the total being $10. I used $10 in Walgreens cash, making these FR to the EE free. So check these out before that high value coupon expires, because these are some expensive deodorants that we could get for free. Okay, y'all, let's move on to, I want to do, I guess, Family Dollar. Let's go ahead and look at the deals I got from Family Dollar to get this out of the way. Okay, y'all, here are some items I got from the Family Dollar. First off, I found the sound bars, y'all. They were $4.97. I got two of those. I was excited about that. Then found some cheap little binders. This one was $1. Super cute. Then a regular pink one, it was 77 cents. And see, there's the thing, 77 cents. And then this one was $1.27 for these little binders. Then on the travel size Irish Spring, we got like a little glitch going on. We have a $4 off 2 Irish Spring coupon in the Family Dollar app. If you can find these travel size, it will come off for each one, making them free. Then on these two products, the air freshener was $3.25, and this small spaces was $2.40, totaling $5.65. We have $3.30 coming off, making these $2.35 are $1.17 each. So those are the items I got from the Family Dollar. Y'all, now let's dive into Home Depot. Okay, y'all, here are the items I got from Home Depot. Y'all, do not sleep on Home Depot. They be having these deals. Okay, so the Bounty's Essentials, I went back and got some more of those. I got 8 more. They was $7.90. Then I looked up on the Charmin, and one of the Home Depots I went to, they was $14. Then I went to another one, $9.50, y'all. I got 5 of those. Then I found these Clean Freaks. They are the lavender, $2.10, y'all. $2.10. And then on this Zep all-purpose cleaner, $1.80. Cleared the shelf, y'all. I had to. Cause y'all know in Home Depot, just one of these is $8 something. Now on this cleaner, I don't know how much it is, but for $1.80 and Zep, that is some good products, and plus it says pro quality. So had to get that, but that is what I got from Home Depot. Now, it's one more thing too I want to show y'all. I'm gonna just walk over her. these, y'all, at Staples, because I went in our Matlin and it's open a little bit, but I had got two. I sold one yesterday, but these was $12.49 at Staples. And then this right here at Staples was it's the 6 equals 12. At Staples it was $12.49 as well. So if y'all got a Staples, don't forget about them, because Office Depot is it's they still got Charmin for 5 something dollars, but Staples, they be having clearance stuff too, y'all. So be on the lookout for those at Staples. Now, y'all, I wanted to show y'all this. Y'all, I had to get my grandson this. This was, some man was selling these on the side of the road, $40. I said he can sit in this, watch his little iPad. I read his little books. Super cute. And I think they make these because it looks like a bluey blanket, and you can tell like by the legs how they painted them, and they missed a little couple of spots. But homemade chairs, $40. They did have some bigger ones that look like little couches. He wanted 80, and I was like, nah, that's too much. So got my grandson this from the corner when I was coming back home from doing my little deals. Now, y'all, we about to have a box opening time. I cannot wait to show y'all what I got. Okay, let's get into this box opening time. All right, y'all, you know what time it is. It's box opening time. And look what I got. This is from Unahubs.ru. So let's open it up and see what we got. Ooh. Okay, y'all. I got a little gift. A little gifty gift. Ooh, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look what I got, y'all. This is so freaking cute. Ah, Suny. I gotta give my girl Suny a shout out. She did her thing on this one. This is super nice. Let me see what it got inside. Okay, y'all, it got enough for room for my snacks, my coupons, my keys. And it comes with a shoulder strap. Yes, y'all. Oh my goodness, this is super cute. Y'all, if y'all want one of these, check out the description in my link, unahubs.ru. And let me see what else. Oh, and you can use the code SUMMER to get 15% off. The app is laid out nicely, and they have other stuff besides bags. They got clothing, shoes, and accessories. So yeah, don't forget to check them out. And once again, I want to give a shout out to my girl Suny. She hooked me up, y'all. How do y'all like this? Look at the color on this. And the smell of leather. Yes, and look at the inside, y'all. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is super cute. I'm about to put my stuff in this now. But y'all, that is the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you won't miss out, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. With that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.